Good morning, students. We are going to start new chapter today, that is fundamental operations. So what are fundamental operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I hope everybody is able to do all the fundamental operations. We should know some terms associated with these fundamental operations. So let us see what are the terms involved with all the fundamental operations. All of you copy this table. Okay. So first I am going to take addition. What is the name of the operation we are going to take? Addition. These terms are very important and you must remember. In addition, operands. Operands means before doing the operation, what are the values are there with us? They are called operands. So the operands in addition are called addends. You can say first addend, second addend, third addend, and so on. Operator used for addition is plus. This is the operator used for addition. And result. The result of addition is called sum. Let's take an example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So what is this 2 called? This 2 is called first addend. This 2 is called first addend. And what is this 3 is called? 3 is called second addend. And what is this 5 called? This 5 is called sum. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 and 3 are called addends and the result is called sum. Result of addition is called sum. Not only two numbers, we can take more than two numbers also. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 is called first addend, 2 is called second addend, 3 is called third addend, and 6 is called the sum. So 6 is the sum of 1, 2 and 3. So these are the terms involved with addition. Next, subtraction. In subtraction operation, the operands are called minuend and subtrahend. The operator used for subtraction is minus, and the result of subtraction we call difference. Let's take an example. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This 5 is called minute. From which number we are subtracting, that is called minute, and which number is being subtracted, that is called subtrahend. Subtrahend, and this 2 result of subtraction is called difference. So you can, there is a famous cricketer, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I remember like this, MSD, to remember the order: minute, subtrahend, and difference. So you can use a mnemonic like this: MSD, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, or you can remember minute, subtrahend, difference. You will not forget the order. Then, next operation, multiplication. For multiplication operation, the operands, multiplicand and multiplier, the operator used is into. So the result for multiplication is called products. The result of multiplication is products. Let's take 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So this 2 is called multiplicand, which is getting multiplied, that is called multiplicand, and which is multiplying, that is called multiplier, and the result of multiplication is called products. More than two numbers also can be involved. For example, you have 2 into 3 into 4, that is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So here, multiplicand and multiplier, this is multiplicand, this is first multiplier, and this is the second multiplier, and 24 is called the products. Next we have division. In division operation, before doing the operation, we have dividend with us, and we also have divisor. The operator used is divided by. Divided by. There are two results. That's why there is a plural form S. Result or results. For all the previous operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, we have only one result. But for division, there are two results. What are they? Quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. We'll write the example here. For example, 15 I am dividing by 4. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 3. This 15 is called the dividend. This 4 is called the divisor. This 3 is called quotient. And this 3 is called remainder. And the relation between them, we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is called division formula. So these are the terms associated with all the operations, and you must remember all of them. And one more thing is, addition and subtraction are inverse operations. For every addition operation, we can create one subtraction operation. For example, in the same example, we took 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. From this, we can create a subtraction, like 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 we can write, or 5 minus 2 also equal to 3 we can write. That means addition and subtraction, they are not different operations. They are same operations, but they are inverse operations, opposite of each other. That's why on transposing also, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction become addition. And similarly, multiplication and division are also inverse operations. From every multiplication, we can create division. From every division, we can create multiplication. For example, we have 2 into 3 is equal to 6. From this, what is the division fact I can write? 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 we can write, or 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 also we can write. So that's why multiplication and division are inverse operations. And on being transporting also, multiplication become division and division become multiplication. And one more important thing, the relation between addition and multiplication. Multiplication is not a new operation. It is repeated addition. For example, I want to add 4 three times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many fours are there? 3 fours. Let's write like this. 3 fours. In mathematics, we can convert this into multiplication sentence. That is 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. That means 4 added 3 times is nothing but 3 into 4. That is 3 fours are 12. Let's take one more example. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So how many fives are there? There are 6 fives. So we can write 6 fives. 6 fives, how we can write in multiplication form? 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. So this repeated addition will become multiplication. So this is the relation between addition and multiplication. Similarly, we have division and subtraction relation. Division and subtraction are also related. Repeated subtraction is nothing but division. For example, from 12, I am subtracting 4. The result not became 0 because it is 8. I am subtracting 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Again I am subtracting 4 and finally I got the remainder 0. That means from 12, repeatedly 4 is subtracted. How many times subtracted? 4 threes are 12. 3 times subtracted and we got 0. So the number of times we are doing the subtraction, that will become the quotient. And which number is being subtracted? That is called dividend. And the number which is getting subtracted every time is called divisor. If anything is left at the end, that is called remainder. So this is the relation between subtraction and division. So this is everything about the fundamental operations. The operands. Operands means before doing the operation, what is there with us, and the operator, and the result. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, there is only one result. But for division, there are two results, quotient and remainder. And we took examples also. And the division formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You must remember that. So you can copy this table, all of you. Now, any doubts, you can raise a hand. In this table, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hand. We'll discuss, then start the questions. So all the students, any doubts in this particular table, you can raise a hand. We'll discuss. Jashvi, you have any doubt, ma? Jashvi?
Sir,
Yes, Jashvi.
sir, I have doubt in subtractions.
Yes. Subtraction, what is the doubt?
In addition, we have addend in first addend and second addend. Why
Yes.
in subtraction First minute and second subtrahend.
It's not like that. It is from which number we are subtracting, that is called minute. Which number is subtracted, that is called subtrahend. That's it. See, in addition, we can add more than two numbers also. But in subtraction, we cannot do the operation between more than two numbers. No, only always the operation is done between two numbers only. That's why we don't have first and second. We have only minute and subtrahend. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And Aryan, any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the word dividend and divisor, in
Yes.
D is always capital.
Yeah, dividend, to remember, it is a big number like capital. It is capitalized, and divisor is a small number which is dividing, so we use small d.
Okay, sir.
Lakshita, Lakshita,
Sir, can you explain division?
division, the terms which are there before doing the operation are called operands. What are the
Ah,
in division? Dividend and divisor. Okay.
yeah. Okay, sir.
The operator we used is divided by. There are two results for division. For all the other operations, we have only one result. But for
Yes.
division, there are two results. What are they? Quotient and remainder.
Sir.
You take an example in the bottom right. You can see 15 is divided by 4.
Yes, sir.
Is divided by 4. We got quotient as 3 and remainder as 3. So 15
Yes.
is called dividend, 4 is divisor, 3 is
Yes.
quotient, and 3 is remainder. And what is the
Okay.
relation between the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder? Okay, let us check that is correct or not. I'm checking this. I'm checking this formula, division formula, whether this is correct or not. Lakshita, what is a dividend?
Sir,
Dividend
sir, dividend 15.
15. What is a divisor?
Sir, divisor 4.
What is a quotient?
Sir, 3.
What is a remainder?
Sir, 3.
Okay, now let us check this is correct or not. So first let us solve which is there in the bracket. 4 threes are
12.
12. And 12 you can add 3. 12 plus 3.
Sir, 15.
So we got 15 equal to 15. Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir, correct.
For every division, we get dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And we are going to solve more questions on this formula also. So you must remember this formula.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any students who have any other doubts? Mayuk? Mayuk, any doubts? Yes, Mayuk?
Sir, I have a dot in division. What is 0 divided by 0?
0 divided by 0 is indeterminate form in mathematics. In mathematics, we have 7 indeterminate forms that you're going to learn from intermediate level. But as of now, you can remember any other number divided by 0 is undefined, but 0 divided by 0 is not undefined, it is indeterminate. Okay? Aryan?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, division లెక్క వేరే దాంట్లో
Speak in
ఫార్ములాస్
English. Speak in English.
Sir, like division, don't other operations have formulas?
No formulas. The only example, you can see 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to create the formula out of it, you can say first addend plus 7, second addend is equal to sum. And subtraction, you can say
Sir,
minus minus subtrahend is equal to difference. And in
sir,
multiplication, you can say multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Yes, RL.
sir, in a division, 4 divided, 15 divided by 4, does
Yes.
12 have no position?
No, 12. Actually, why this 12 came? This 12 came while we are doing subtraction, right? 15
Sir, no,
minus
sir, it does not have a name.
that's what I'm discussing. Listen, from
Sir.
15 we are subtracting 12, we are getting 3. That means it is not a division operation, it is subtraction. So
Yes,
while
sir.
subtracting, this 15 is called minute, this 12 is called subtrahend, and this 3 is called difference. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So in that operation, the 12 is subtrahend. Okay?
Sir, in different operation, we have different names.
Yes, yes. Mayuk, Mayuk. Yes, Mayuk.
So, what is indeterminate?
Indeterminate means we are getting confused. What is the answer? For example, See, 0 divided by 0, we want to find the answer. We have a rule in mathematics that whenever numerator is 0, the answer should be 0. And we have another rule in mathematics, that is division. Whenever denominator is 0, the answer should be undefined. So both are satisfied here. Numerator is 0, denominator is 0. We want to write whether 0 or undefined, we get confused. That means we cannot determine. That's why this form is called indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Okay? Okay, Mayuk?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope everybody copied this table and we'll move forward now. So these are all the terms associated with that. And let's start discussing the problems based on this. Okay, this is your first question. This question came in 2018. The product of 10,101 into 25. If you want to give answer, can raise a hand now. Abhiday? Yes, Abhiday.
Sir, can you move this question?
Come again?
Sir, can you move the question to the next sub?
Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer?
Sir, sir, 25, sir.
Okay. You already found the answer and you got answer B. Generally, most of the students will do like this 10101 multiplied by 25. We will do the normal multiplication operation. Abhida, you can mute yourself. 5 ones are 5, 5 0 0, 5 ones are 5 0. Abhida, you can mute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Next, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 0 and 2. Now while adding, 5 2, 5 2, 5 2. So we got 25 repeated 3 times. So such patterns are very interesting. So let us concentrate on those patterns today. So without doing multiplication, we can write the answer. So this is the answer for this question. So I want to discuss that after giving the answer. So the answer is this. So even we can expand like the textbook solution is given 10,000 10,101 multiplied by 25. You can expand this 10,101. So this one place value is 10,000 and this one place value is 100 and this one place value is 1. Just multiply by 25. So you get 25 into 10,000. 25 followed by 4 zeros. 25 into 100, that is 25 followed by 2 zeros. 25 into 1, this is distributive property, 25. Now you can add 25, 25, 25. That means whenever 10,101 is multiplied by any two-digit number, the two-digit number will repeat itself 3 times, that you can remember. So that means same question if I ask 10,101 into 37, without doing any operation, we can say 37, 37, 37. Like that, we have some patterns that we are going to concentrate now. First, to copy this question in solution, then we discuss those patterns. Copy this question in solution. Those who wanted to give answer, I am lowering your hands. If you have any doubt, you can raise a hand now. Jashvi, any doubts? Jashvi?
Sir, you told no. 10101 into 25
Yes.
in simple formula, and now we have three-digit number. How we should multiply it?
We are going to take more patterns after completing this problem. Three-digit number also, I'm going to say the pattern after you copy solution. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Abhiday? Abhiday, any doubts?
Sir, we should copy these two methods.
Yeah, two methods you copy.
Okay, sir.
Let us say this is method number one, and this is method number two. Yes, I hope everybody copied. Okay, I hope everybody copied. Now we are going to discuss more patterns like this products. Yes, everybody, you can copy even this table. Okay. Students, all of you, I'm asking a question that suppose you have a one-digit number. Students, just wait a minute. Yes, first we took a one-digit number. One-digit number. How many times I want to get repeated? Two times. I want to repeat a one-digit number two times. For example, I have three. Three is how many? Having how many digits? One digit. I want to multiply it by a certain number so that I repeat 3 two times, like 33. With which number we should multiply? Rakshita, can you say the answer? 3 we have to multiply by which number so that it gets 33? Rakshita,
Sir,
3 multiplied by which number it becomes 33?
sir, wait a second. Sir, 11.
11. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I'll take this example here.
Sir, up to 7:30 on the class.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
3 multiplied by which number is 33? That is 11. Let's write here. This is example 1. This is example 2. With which number it is multiplied? Okay, the answer is 11 for this. That means if you want to repeat a one digit number two times, then you have to multiply by 11. You get it is repeated two times. For example, you take 5 and you want to repeat it two times, like 5, 5. Just multiply by 11. Okay. And any digit is like this. You take any digit and multiply by 11, it will be repeated two times. Then next pattern is one digit number only. I want to repeat three times. Now, who will tell me with which number we should multiply? Srivalli, you have any doubt? Srivalli? Bhuvana, you are seeing answers in the chat box, but you are not raising hand. Srivalli. Srivalli, with which number we should multiply? Not answering. Himateja, do you know the answer? I want to repeat a one digit number three times. With which number we should multiply?
Sir, 111.
Yes, 111. Very good. So let me write here. 111 we have to multiply. For example, I have a number 7. I want to multiply by a certain number so that 7 repeats 3 times. 7, 7, 7. So we should multiply by 111. Similarly, 4, I want to multiply by a certain number so that it repeats 3 times. 4, 4, 4. So the answer is we have to multiply by 111. Very good. Next, similarly, one digit number, I want to repeat it 4 times. Then, with which number we should multiply? I'm asking Harshavardhan. Can you say the answer, Harshavardhan?
Sir.
I want to repeat a one digit number 4 times. With which number we should multiply?
Sir, 1111.
1111. For example, I have 2. 2 if you multiply by 1111, the 2 repeated 4 times. Similarly, 6 also you multiply by 1111 like this, you'll get 6666. So this is about one digit number and we can continue this pattern. Now let us take a two digit number. I want to repeat a two digit number two times. I want to repeat a two digit number two times. That means, suppose if there is a number with me 23, 23 should be multiplied by which number? So that answer is 23 repeated two times. 23 and again 23. That is 2323. With which number we should multiply? Who will give an answer? Bhuwana, can you give the answer for this?
10101.
Come again. 10.
10101.
10101. That is from previous question you are saying. In previous question we repeated three times, but here I am repeating only two times.
Then
If you multiply 23 by 10101, you'll get 23, 23, 23. Three times repetition. I want only two times repetition. 23 multiplied by which number? You'll get 23, 23 repeated two times.
sir, 101.
Yes, 101. So the answer is we have to multiply by 101. That means you have to multiply the number by 101. Bhuvana, you tell me any other two digit number, your wish.
Sir, 42.
42. 42 also, if you multiply by this 101, what will be the result?
42, 42.
Okay. You understood Bhuvana now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhuvana. Now you can mute yourself. Now let us take the next pattern, that is same two digit number only. Two digit number. I want to repeat three times. With which number we should multiply? For example, let's take 17. 17 should be multiplied by which number? So that the answer is 171717. Who will give me the answer? Varshita, can you say the answer for me? Varshita?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, with 10101.
Yes. We have to multiply by 10101. Just now from the previous question only we discussed now.
Yes, sir.
So we have to multiply by 10101. Varshita, can you tell me any two digit number your wish?
Sir, 12.
12. Okay, 12 we multiply by 10101. Then the answer will be 12, 12, 12. If you want to read it in Indian system, 1,21,212. But it is easy. Whenever any two digit number is multiplied by 10101, the two digit number will repeat itself three times. Okay, Varshita?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And next question. Four times also you can understand easily. Is it nothing but 1010101 again? So you have to repeat that 01 extra. Now let's concentrate on a three digit number. Three digit number. I want to repeat it two times. For example, I have a three digit number. Let's take 237. 237 should be multiplied by which number so that it repeated two times? 237, 237. So with which number we should multiply? Will you give me the answer? You can keep your hand raising. I will ask you. Rishikesh, can you say the answer for this?
Sir, can I say the answer?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, 10101.
10,
1101.
101, 101.
Yes.
Wrong answer. You can check the multiplication also in your book. Wrong answer.
Okay, sir.
Try again. Jayant, can you give the answer? Jayant,
Sir,
answer.
sir, 101.
101, wrong answer. 101 will work for 2-digit number, not for 3-digit number. Check once again, Jayant, do the multiplication. Shanai, can you give the answer? Shanai?
The 101.
Wrong answer. Aryan?
1001.
Come again?
So 1001.
Yes, it's not 101, it is 1001. Okay, 10 will be extra. So you can check this 237. If you multiply by a number like 1001, then it will be 237. 237 will be repeated 2 times.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me any 3-digit number now?
Sir?
Any 3-digit number?
Sir? 225.
225. If you multiply by 1001, that means without doing any multiplication, we can say 225 will be repeated 2 times. 225, 225.
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Okay, Aryan, you can mute yourself. Next
Okay.
question is, any 3-digit number, if you want to repeat 3 times, with which number we are going to multiply? For example, I have 468. I should multiply by which number so that the result is 468, 468, 468. Who will tell me the answer? Srivatsa, can you give the answer? Srivatsa? Srivatsa, you're not audible. Srivatsa, speak loudly.
Sir,
Yes, you're audible. Tell me the answer.
1001.
Wrong answer. 1001, if you multiply, it will be repeated 2 times only. No, I want to repeat it 3 times.
Sir, 10001.
Come again, 10.
001.
No, wrong answer. Try again. Let me ask. Kamal, can you say the answer? Kamal?
Sir. Sir.
Tell me the answer. With which number we should multiply?
Sir. 10001.
1000001. Wrong answer. Try again. Pranay, can you give the answer? Pranay?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. 1001.
Very good. 1001 and again 001. See, let me write here. We should multiply by 1001 again 001, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let me write that number here. So we should multiply by 1001 and 001. Pranay, can you take any 3-digit number yourself?
Sir. 375.
375. If you multiply by 1001, 001. So without doing any multiplication, we can write the answer. 375 will be repeated 3 times. 375, 375, 375. And this pattern, this table will continue. Like if you want to repeat 4-digit number 2 times and 4-digit number 3 times, and you can continue. Pranay, can you say me the answer that a 4-digit number I want to repeat 2 times? So with which number I should multiply? 4-digit number I want to repeat 2 times. Pranay, can you give the answer? If I want to repeat a 4-digit number 2 times, what is the number that we should multiply? Okay, Pranay, you can try. Check multiplication. Anvita, can you give the answer?
Sir.
Yes, Anvita.
Sir. 11.
11, wrong answer. 4-digit number, if you multiply by 11, it will not be repeated 2 times. Check.
4-digit.
Yes.
Sir.
4-digit number. Suppose I took a 4-digit number, 1234. I want the product 1234, 1234. With which number? Anvita, you can check again. Himateja, can you give the answer?
Sir, answer
001.
Wrong answer. Aryan, can you give the answer?
Sir, 1001.
Come again.
Sir, 1001.
Yes, 10001. Correct answer. So we have to multiply by 10001. Then any four-digit number will be repeated two times. For example, I take 1234 multiply by 10001. Then you get the answer 1234 1234 repeat. Okay. So
Yes,
like
yes.
this pattern will continue, and so you must remember this table by multiplying by which number it will be repeated any number of times. Like um,
Okay, sir.
yes. And one more thing, any factors also for this you should remember. 111 is having a factor. 111 can be written as 37 into 3. You know that? That means, Aryan, are you there live?
Sir?
Are you there live?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose if I give any question to you like 3 into 5 into 37. Can you give the answer, Aryan?
Sir, sir, wait a minute.
3 into 5 into 37. Everybody solve this question. Who will give the answer? 3 into 5 into 37.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 555.
I think you did multiplication,
Yes, sir.
but without doing multiplication. Just now I told you 3 into 37 is 111. 5 into 111 is 555. Is it very easy?
Yes, sir.
That means the factors are useful or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can mute yourself, Aryan. So similarly, like that, we have any other
Sir,
factors for the remaining numbers. Let us check. Okay,
sir,
1000. Yes, yes. Tell me.
sir, should we write this now or you will give us time after?
I'm giving now only time. Wait a minute. First, let me complete the table.
Okay,
So
sir.
1111 is also having factors. It's divisible by 11. So it is 11 multiplied by 101. Okay. So 1111. That means, suppose if I give any question like 11 into 27 into 101, what we can do is 11 into 101, we have 1111 multiplied by 27. Okay. Let me take a one digit number, something like 2 only. I'm taking 2. 11 into 2 into 111. So 11 into 111, I get 1111 multiplied by 2. I'll get 2222. Otherwise, you can do like this also. 11 into 2 is 22. Two digit number multiplied by 101, the answer is 2222. So this type of products, if you remember the factors, it will become very easy. And any factors for 101? 101 is not having a factor, it is a prime number. 10,101. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 10,101. So I can write 3 multiplied by 3 threes are 9. 11. 3 threes are 9. 20. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. So we got 3367. That means if you get a product something like 3 into 43 into 3367. You need not do the multiplication. What you have to do is, we know 3 into 3367 is 10101. First we have to do that. Then any two digit number multiplied by 10101, it will be repeated three times. Answer is 434343. That means you should remember this product. 3 into 3367, you should remember. And are there any other products? Yes, 1001 is having a factorization, that is 7 into 11 into 13. Suppose I give a question like 7 into 469 into 11 into 13. If you want to get this product, you need not waste time. You should remember 7 into 11 into 13 is nothing but 1001. Then multiplying any three digit number by 1001, it will be repeated two times. 469 469 will be the answer. So without doing any multiplication, you can say. But you must remember such type of factors 7, 11, 13, etc. Okay, and this number is also having factor, but it is very big. You may not get questions based on this. But if you want, you can divide it by 3 because it is divisible by 3. So I'm extending this table uh, factorizations to remember. Factorizations to remember. You must remember these factorizations because if the questions are based on these factorizations, then you should be able to solve it easily. So 111, what is the factorization? 37 into 3. 1111, 11 into 101. 10,101, 3 into 3367. And 1001 factorization is 7 into 11 into 13. Now I'm giving you time, all of you, to copy this. So then we can move forward. I'm waiting on the screen. Everybody copy this. And any doubts, keep your hand raising. I'll be discussing. I'm lowering all your hands. Only doubts can raise the hands now. Rishikesh, your doubts?
Sir, we have to write factorization to remember that also.
That one also, because if you remember that, the complex problems will become very easy. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Manaswini,
Sir, I have a doubt at this 3-digit last.
okay, okay. Which one? What is your doubt?
Sir, that is 3-digit last line, sir. Last line.
Three digit repeated 3 times.
Yes, sir.
You take any 3 digit number and you want to repeat it 3 times. So you should multiply by 1001001.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your doubt?
Sir, why we get 468 always?
Because there are ones, there are zeros now.
Yes,
1
sir.
multiplied by 468 will give you 468, and the remaining zeros are not contributing any digit. That means the 468 is not going to change until the next 468 comes, right?
Okay, sir.
That's why it will come repeated. Mayuk, everybody copy. Meanwhile, they are asking doubts. Copy quickly. Mayuk, your doubts? Mayuk? Mayuk, you're not audible. Try to leave the class and join again. Aryan?
Sir,
Yes, Aryan.
sir, is there a particular formula?
What formula?
Sir, to get the number repeated.
No formula, but you understood the number of zeros which come in the middle and how many ones are there. So
Okay.
you can create your pattern on your own. So how many digit number is there, and we are repeating how many times. Based on that, you can choose number of zeros and number of ones. But
Okay.
everything is based on ones and zeros only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Litiksha, any doubts? Mayuk, you leave the class and join again. Litiksha, any doubts? Litiksha, you're not audible. Ritvik, any doubts? Ritvik?
Sir,
Yes, Ritvik.
when you start GK class?
Now only after you copy this table.
Okay, sir.
Sahana, any doubt?
No, sir, there is no place for factorization.
Come again?
There is no place for factorization.
Okay, you can write it later in a long notebook.
Okay, sir.
Mayuk? Mayuk? Mayuk, what is your doubt?
Sir, sir, we have to repeat. We have to repeat 3 digit number by 4 times. What number we have to multiply?
Yeah, you only tell me. 3-digit number, if you want to repeat 4 times, we should multiply by which number? So, based on the previous pattern, you understood, no? 1001 001 001. Yes? Yes, Mayuk? You understood?
No.
Shanai?
Sir,
Samuel is asking, sir, we should write all. Yes, you have to copy this table, very important. Because difficult problems also, we can give the answer easily if you remember this. Shanai?
sir,
Yes?
sir means this what, sir? 11, you leave the boxes factor of factors.
Yeah, why?
Realization
Because
to
11 cannot be further factorized. No, 11 is a prime number.
yes, sir.
So it is not having any factorization. 11 will be 11 only. That's it. And 101 is also a prime number. But this last number is not a prime number. 1001 1001. Okay, we can divide it by 3 because you check the divisibility rule of 3. Is it working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that you will be getting. There is a nice pattern that is creating. You can see. So it is having the factorization, that is 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. If you factorize by 3, help of 3, you'll get 3 multiplied by 333667. You can see 3367 and 333667. This is also a pattern repeating.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I give you a question like 3 into 239 into 333667. If you get this question, you did not do any product. 3 into 333667, we know that 1001 001. So the answer is going to be 239 repeated 3 times. 239 239 239 will be the answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can even copy that one also, last one. 1001 001 factorization. So I hope this table is completed. Shall we start GK? Jayavant, any doubts?
Subject will you start?
Yeah, I'm starting now. Have you copied this table?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're starting GK now. Yesterday we discussed up to 10th question. What does a seismograph measure? We'll continue from there. Okay, all of you, next question in GK. Next question. Which scientific instrument is used to measure very high temperatures? Option A, thermometer. Option B, pyrometer. Option C, calorimeter. And option D, manometer. All of you can participate in the quiz now. Which scientific instrument is used to measure very high temperatures? Thermometer, pyrometer, calorimeter, and manometer. Yes, time is almost completed. 5 seconds left. Yes, majority of the class gave the wrong answer because temperature means they got thermometer. 3 students said manometer, wrong answer. 3 students said calorimeter, wrong answer. 15 students gave wrong answer thermometer, and the correct answer is pyrometer. Okay. So the question is not about direct temperature, normal temperature. They said very high temperatures. A pyrometer is a device used to measure extremely high temperatures, especially in furnaces and kilns where traditional thermometers cannot be used. So high temperatures, very high temperatures, the device used to measure temperature is pyrometer. So next question. Next question is very simple. Everybody must answer this correctly. Which device helps in viewing objects too small to be seen by the naked eye? Telescope, periscope, microscope, binoculars. Participate in the quiz, all of you. Which device helps in viewing objects too small to be seen by the naked eye? Telescope, periscope, microscope, binoculars. Ten seconds left. No student gave periscope. Two students said telescope. Telescope is used to see distant objects like stars, moon, etc. And wrong answer. Two students said binoculars. Binoculars also used to see distant objects only, but not as far as telescope. And the correct answer is microscope. Very small objects will be using under the microscope, which we cannot see by the naked eye. So 22 students gave the correct answer. Very good. So the answer for this is microscope. A microscope is an instrument that magnifies tiny objects. Tiny means very small, making them visible. It is used in biology, medicine, scientific research also. Next question. I think this question we got yesterday, but let us check. How many of you remember? What is a manometer used for? What is a manometer used for? Measuring liquid density, measuring sound intensity, measuring pressure of gases, measuring temperature. All of you can participate in the quiz. What is a manometer used for? Measuring liquid density, measuring sound intensity, measuring pressure of gases, measuring temperature. Time up. One student said measuring liquid density, wrong answer. Five students said measuring sound intensity, wrong answer. Five students said measuring temperature, wrong answer. And 13 students give the correct answer, measuring pressure of gases. That is correct. Option C is correct. A manometer is a device used to measure the pressure of gases in a closed system. It is commonly used in laboratories and industries. So we use manometer to measure pressure of gases in a closed environment. Next question. This is very simple. Everybody will answer, I think. Next question. Which instrument is used by astronomers to observe distant celestial objects? Periscope, microscope, telescope, endoscope. Which instrument is used by astronomers to observe distant celestial objects? Periscope, microscope, telescope, endoscope. I don't want a single wrong answer for this. Time up. And one student said periscope. Periscope is used to see the objects above the surface of water without revealing our identity. We are inside the water. Wrong answer. One student said microscope. Just now we discussed microscope is used to see very tiny objects, not distant objects. One student said microscope. Three students answered endoscope. Endoscope is used by gastroenterologist, that is the doctor which treats your abdomen, the stomach part. So to see any impurities or any infection is there inside the stomach, they use a method called endoscope. They'll insert a pipe into the mouth and they using a microscope they will observe everything. That is endoscope. But the correct answer is telescope. 24 students give the answer. Correct answer. Telescope is the correct answer. A telescope is an optical device used to observe distant celestial objects such as stars, planets, and galaxies. It gathers and magnifies light to provide detailed images. Next question. Which device is used to measure time very accurately? Stopwatch, chronometer, barometer, thermometer. Which device is used to measure time very accurately? Stopwatch, chronometer, barometer, thermometer. And time completed. No student voted thermometer because it is for temperature. Two students voted barometer. Barometer is used for pressure, atmospheric pressure. Wrong answer. 14 students gave wrong answer, that is stopwatch. Yes, stopwatch also used to measure time, but not very accurately. More than stopwatch, chronometer will measure accurately. 8 students gave that answer. Stopwatch can measure up to millisecond only, but chronometer is accurate up to fraction of that. So chronometer is a precision timekeeping instrument used for accurate time measurement, especially in navigation and astronomy. Next question. This question I gave you the explanation while discussing for other question. Let me see how many of you remember. What is the primary function of an endoscope? Measuring lung capacity, examining internal body parts, measuring oxygen levels in blood, checking heart rates. What is the primary function of an endoscope? Measuring lung capacity, examining internal body organs, measuring oxygen levels in blood, checking heart rate. Yes, time up. One student said measuring lung capacity, wrong answer. Two students gave wrong answer, checking heart rate. Four students said oxygen levels in blood, wrong answer. The correct answer is 17 students gave that answer, examining internal body organs. While I was discussing previous questions, I explained endoscope. You don't remember also. Examining internal body organs. An endoscope is a medical device used to look inside the human body, especially in the digestive tract. It is commonly used in medical diagnostics. Next question. Which instrument is used to measure the power of electrical circuits? Power of electrical circuits. Ohmmeter, wattmeter, ammeter, voltmeter. Which instrument is used to measure the power of electrical circuits? Ohmmeter, wattmeter, ammeter, voltmeter. Time up. Three students said ohmmeter, wrong answer. Seven students said ammeter and voltmeter, wrong answer. Answer is wattmeter. Nine students gave the correct answer. Option B is correct. A wattmeter is used to measure electrical power in a circuit expressed in watts. It helps in monitoring energy consumption. How much energy is consumed? We'll be using wattmeter. Next question. You might be knowing this. Let's see how many of you know this. Which instrument is used to measure the depth of the ocean? Hygrometer, sonar, anemometer, seismometer. Which instrument is used to measure the depth of the ocean? Hygrometer, sonar, anemometer, seismometer. Time up. And 5 students said seismometer, wrong answer. 7 students said hygrometer, wrong answer. 8 students said anemometer. Anemometer is for wind speed, no? You're not revising previous classes also. Only 5 students gave the correct answer. Sonar. Sonar is the correct answer. Option B. Sonar means sound navigation and ranging. Is used to measure ocean depth by sending sound waves and analyzing their reflection from the ocean floor. First, they send some sound waves. After they hit the ocean floor, they will be reflecting back. By finding after how much time they reflected back, they will be finding the distance or the depth of the ocean using sonar method. Sonar means sound navigation and ranging. Remember that also. Next question. Which device is used to measure the optical power of lenses? Spectrometer, periscope, optometer, calorimeter. Rishikesh, you said that you are not able to see the screen. Leave the class and join again. And time up. 1 student said calorimeter, wrong answer. 8 students said spectrometer. 8 students said periscope. Why periscope is coming? Periscope is used for different purpose now. 7 students only said correct answer. Optometer. An optometer is an instrument used to measure the refractive power of lenses and the eyesight of individuals. So using optometer, let's check the eyesight of individuals and refractive power of lenses. So last question of today's class. Which instrument is used to measure the intensity of light? Lux meter, hygrometer, periscope, seismometer. lux meter, hygrometer, periscope, seismometer. If you remember the usage of previous instrument we discussed already, then by elimination method also you'll get the correct answer. Eliminate the things which you know and which you don't know, you can keep in your mind. Time up. And 5 students said seismometer, wrong answer. 8 students said periscope, wrong answer. 3 students said hygrometer, wrong answer. 10 students gave the correct answer, lux meter. So I told you already, by elimination method also you'll get the answer. Eliminate the things which you know, and remaining will be this one only. A lux meter is used to measure the intensity of light in a particular area. It is commonly used in photography, architecture, and environmental studies. So these are the different scientific devices used in daily life. And next class we'll try to take up the next topic in GK. So all of you, thank you for joining, and you can start getting ready for school. You may leave the class now, all of you.